Set you guys down right here. That's how you do it, boys. I need to put this thing back on. I'm tired of not being able to hear my car, and it's just got really boring driving it. So what I'm gonna do is just give it a quick little paint. I'm gonna paint it flat black, give it a stealth look, and hopefully throw it on today if it doesn't rain again. I'm gonna be using this Rust-Oleum high heat paint. It's pretty much a flat black. It looks pretty cool, and it's what I do on all my exhaust. I'm about to install it back on the car. I give him a little touch up just to give it a stealth look. Watch out. Spray some WD-40.
Yeah. Yo, not a dollar, no money, more problems. They gon' say miss, go get a job then. They gon' say miss, so do this and do that. See in the gutter, most of your brothers don't want you to do bad. When things start looking up, poverty pulls fast. They might wanna push you forward, but scared to be left back. By a bar, the hard to get enough rent at the food bank. Got a meal out of CD, can't afford 2 stamps. Got paid for some verses, I gotta wait till it clears. They let it transact, can't afford these beers. I ain't got a dollar spot of blood for the lad. Or 200 euros and a spin of the CDs. Underground got it on playback. Rocking shows like I lived in my dreams. If I could say that.
Oh shit, getting smashed through this thing.
We get by. Not just some money, we got a personal tie. That ain't cliche, I'll do it till I die. Maybe the world won't hear me cause I stand by what I stand for. By any means I gotta try, we demand more. Blood, sweat, tears, you got your hand out. Looking for
got the exhaust off.
I eat with fans, you can ask round. But I can't give you more than I got. But teach you to fly before I walk. We set up our own shows, manage ourselves. Supporters of the music heads who really helped. Every time we reach across the border, I felt the love for what I'm spitting. Can you be rich without bucks? For sure, kid. Look at how I'm living. Shift the snakes around me. Head in the clouds, feet on the ground. They hate it all grounds me.
Oh, I'm so glad this exhaust comes in 2 pieces. Drop the body. I'm gonna end up putting the second piece or the last piece first. I need to get it on that hanger right there, and there's another hanger up here. put the middle pipe. Go in. I know what to do. All right. Who knew this exhaust used so many hangers? Okay, I need a gasket for this one. This is so hard to film and do the work at the same time. I'll put this in here. Got your gasket. There we go. Quick tip, if you guys are ever dealing with hangers, use WD-40. Slip right in. We are almost done. Everything's bolted on. I don't know if you guys can see that. I just need to put this bar that goes across and we should be good to go. Just doing the one-man job, guys. One-man job. Took about half an hour to take off the stock exhaust and another half an hour to put the aftermarket one. Safety first, guys. I have this jack stand. This thing, I got this one right here. Hold on. I got this one and this one. Don't let the car fall on you. Look how good that looks. I miss these tips. Alright, let's turn it on. Neutral. Yeah. It was about time. Yeah guys, it sounds a lot better. I've been dying to put this thing on, but even with the painting of the car, I haven't been able to paint because of the weather. It's been raining crazy here in San Diego. So I woke up early today and I was like, I'm gonna put my exhaust back on, and I'm glad I did because it sounds so nice. Giving it that little stealth look makes it look even more mean, I think. Sit you guys down right here. Relax. There you have it. I got to dip now because there's people staring. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I forgot to mention in the beginning what type of catback exhaust I have.